1.
Open your main or multi-food. To learn how to make one,
Find that in the description.
export foods. Update plate by selecting original. Control select yours. Transfer weights. Delete verts of original. Join yours with it. Save. Join all together. Cut equals 0. Save as shadow. Repeat for all states. Lastly, delete verts of food. Save as empty. Repeat the shadow step for this too. In Sims 4 Studio, re-import all. Customize texture too. Open the single plate or slice of your food. Update the mesh like we did before. Once you've re-imported, warehouse, extract tuning 14917, plate 4, add to package. Update object tuning ID. Copy tuning name. In object definition, paste. Object tuning. Locate line 514. Open a second Sims 4 Studio. Create 3D mesh. Object. Debug. Search food plate. Update mesh. Append your new plate. Delete any extras that shouldn't be there. On your new plate, delete vertex groups. Select original plate, control select yours, transfer weights. Delete original mesh. Merge yours with it. Save. Delete shadow verts. Merge your plate to mesh 0. Cut equals 0. Save as shadow.
3.
Back in Sims 4 Studio, warehouse. Extract 14917, plate fork single. Update object tuning. Update object definition. In object definition, copy instance decimal. Save. Back on your single plate, in object tuning, line 514, update tuning. Done. Huge thanks to Lenaid and XuanZi-Sims for this one. They gave me help many years ago that I wasn't able to get quite at the time. But thanks to the rabbit hole, I'm there now. We've got this. We've got a few more tutorials coming up using their advice. So stay tuned and be sure to check them out if you haven't already.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.